Welcome back to Onif TV. My people, Galai Mohammed don't come again. He don't give us another side of the story. He talk say all people they wonder how Nigerian they always spend the money, how federal government they always spend in money every year. He talk say we they spend 60 billion naira every year. On top waiting. It also on top the repair of pipeline where some people, some Nigerians, some big head Nigerians, some coconut head Nigerians, they always destroy every year. Because people like say they don't allocate them, say Nigerian will destroy this thing this year, so this amount of money go use and repair this thing. He talks say now almost over 1,000 pipeline now in Nigeria destroy. I know some people will say they always tap petrol destroy between 2019 and 2020. They destroy almost over 1,000 pipelines. So to repair those pipelines, not to affect Nigeria too much, so they spent 60 billion naira to repair pipeline. In case you never hear waiting on Galai Mohammed talk on top this issue, make him say now they always talk am. I beg make you watch am.
An average of 200,000 barrels per day lost to the wanton damage to pipelines and a huge amount of about 60 billion naira yearly to repair and maintain the vandalized points. One can only imagine the impact on the economy. According to statistics, between January 2019 and September 2020, 1,161 pipeline points across the country were vandalized. Apart from the impact on the nation's earnings, consider also the environmental problems caused by the incessant vandalism in terms of fresh water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, etc. And you will appreciate the enormity of the problem at hand. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, what do we aim to achieve with these town hall meetings, focusing on the protection of public infrastructure? Our objectives are: A, create in the public mind that government property are indeed citizens' property and so must be protected for the benefit of all. B, sensitize communities, especially those where infrastructure are located, to be conscious of the import of such and protect.
Now this end of the story, now you don't hear so. Imagine that kind of money where we say they use to repair pipeline every year. Even they talk say from January this year to May, over 200 pipeline don't they destroy again by people. Imagine. Only God knows how much they will use to repair at the end of the year again, maybe like 200 billion naira. Imagine. Now Nigeria, now we they always do ourselves. How we go take care of them now? When we don't say now true to say Nigeria they destroy them. Though the thing if you reach 1,000 this thing, but we don't tap for them because some people they get big head, they get coconut head, they always they tap fuel. Why must we always do something bad? Must we destroy this thing now? The thing will affect everybody because Nigeria they broke. Some states, some states they sack workers. Nigeria now see now we always borrow money, and we don't get money. We spend 60 billion every year. The company say we don't allocate them. Say this year they go spend them. Say this one. And this piece of information, like Mama, I don't talk. Say anybody when we say they catch, when we say he steal fuel again, say hey, then go listen, then go shoot them, then go arrest that person. Say and that person go spend like 200 years inside prison. I be that too. Me, I constantly say why they no fit allocate some security agents to all those where pipeline they say they safeguard that place. Say in case of because 60 billion every year, the thing much you. How much now the state allocations? State allocation. I don't think the thing reach that much. When we see Nigeria money spend 60 billion, talk say the amount of money we say we don't lose on top of this pipeline breaking now. Say the thing don't reach like almost 5 billion naira. We say we don't lose. And people are beg. In case you say now you raise this kind of beg, we can stop them. We they lose money for this country. Make we put the money we say they lose every day on top of the Twitter ban. We say Nigeria they put every month, every day we say we lose 1 billion or 2 billion every day on top of Twitter ban. This one also now, every year now, they spend 60 billion to repair pipeline. I beg, everybody. Make I move on to another headline. That moment, don't talk anymore. Make I to move. Thank you.